Hi guys, I purchased this 16 by 40 Geo Bubble Energy Guard pool cover in midnight blue, and I am in love with the color and the quality of it. I have it on a Horizon Venture reel that uses a ball bearing in the crank, so it's very easy to roll up and close. During the nighttime when it's about 40-50 degrees, I only see a 4 degrees at most temperature drop, versus when I didn't have the cover, there was a dramatic temperature drop, at least 7 to 8 degree temperature drop when I didn't have the cover. And when the nighttime is about 60 to 70 degrees, I only see a 1 degree temperature drop. It's really nice. I even had it when it was raining a lot, and the pool cover held up pretty well. It didn't sink at all. And here you can see I have a pool noodle attached on one end, and I just drag it across and it's fairly easy. Overall, I highly recommend this pool cover. In the past, I've used the $200, $300 ones, and those don't last much and also don't maintain the temperature as well.